welcome back. In today's video, I want to talk about the Virtuals protocol. Okay, so if you guys into the meme trading, okay, we already know like Axiom, for example. Okay, so we go there and we just start doing those researches, and you decided, okay, this is one of those meme coins, we can go ahead and start trading. Okay, before we start, even like I have to mention, this is not a financial advice, so whatever I'm saying here, it's only for educational purposes. Okay, so yeah, this is that. So guys, you know the drill, right? So what you do now, Virtuals protocol is a little bit different, right? So because what it does, okay, so it launches, okay, it launches there. However, they are not launches like the meme coins in a sense like on the Axiom. You can find on Axiom, GMGN, or anywhere other like those other platforms like Bullx, okay. um so here you are actually gonna find some AI agents which they're gonna be launching, okay. And the good thing about this is that each one of those agents have some purpose, okay? So they have some sort of functionality, and they actually been created for in purpose, and they trying to solve some sort of problem, or solve the issue, or just to be helpful to the users, right? So which is great thing, okay, because they are actually bringing some value, right? So in that's why those virtual protocols AI agents, okay, they are actually doing quite well, right? Since actually been, for example, since it's been launched, right? So for example, some of them they are doing 2x, some of them they are doing 4x, even 50x or 20x. That's something which really depends. It's not. I'm not saying to you, what is gonna be the price of a particular agent. Okay, I'm just saying that on average, those agents are actually doing quite well, right? So, and this is quite interesting, okay, because it's been created on the Virtuals protocol, okay, where we go into the Virtuals protocol pricing chart on market cap. All right, we see that it was till about November last year, okay. It was just doing it's like doing the first, like nothing special, right? But since then, okay, look at the price. Okay, there was even on the hike of January the 2nd, they were reached nearly $5, right? So which is quite cool, because we got a drop since then, all right, and now it looks like we're gonna go for another peak, right? So this thing is actually virtual protocols is keep growing, okay. So people are not going anywhere, okay. There's more and more people who actually are creating those AI agents, and more people actually are trying to invest in those, right? So this is something which might actually give you some sort of additional idea on how to actually go and trade some of those AI agents. If you got some experience in the meme coins world, okay, I'm pretty sure you'll be doing fine with those AI agents. And bear in mind that those AI agents, they do some they always have something to do, right? So for example, this one, AI part social media management platform, okay. So is an AI agent platform designed to revolutionize, like for example here, Copita. AI powered voice cloning and synthesis. Copita is a cutting edge AI voice platform that clones, really true. Okay, a platform that clones, customizes, and generates lifelike speech in any style using just 30 seconds audio. Or our deep learning technology replicates voices with human-like emotions, tone, and accent accuracy, supporting multiple languages for global applications. Okay, key features include hyper-realistic voice cloning for brands, entertainment, and accessibility, custom voice design, fictional characters. Okay, there you go. You got a functionality. Okay, it's not like it's one of those meme coins where you're gonna find on Axiom. They have been just created for and within the next 10 seconds, maybe 10 minutes or an hour, they are disappearing. Okay, there is nothing behind them. Okay, here, okay, this is not a huge X account. Yeah, that's fine. All right, there's some sort of idea behind the whole thing, right? So you can have a like, okay, I know what these things are planning to do, okay, what they were creating, okay. So here you go, and you got 3 days, 11 hours, 14 minutes for till the start of the launch of this particular one, right? So framework game, and it's so everything is there. Like for example, website, you can go into it, okay, and you can start saying that, hold on a second, okay, what is this thing is doing, okay. For example, on this one is not much on their website, which is absolutely fine. I'm not expecting every website of these AI agents be 100% fantastic. I'm just saying that this is one of those examples, okay. As I said, this is not a financial advice, guys. You need to do your own research, like in meme coins world. You have to go and go through those AI agents and see what they actually doing, how it is actually can be done, what you can actually achieve. And if they are actually launched, right, you see what that this is a price movement, right? Okay, this is one of those price movements. So you're gonna see the same sort of chart like everywhere else, like on the coin market cap, like on Axiom, Bullx, anywhere else. Okay, this one didn't did well. Like here, there was some price movement here and there. Like they went to, nearly like, let me see, market cap. Okay, market cap. Okay, it's 100. There's still 176,000 K. Okay, so guys, this is something in it, right? So it's they've been launched. Okay, you got the stats here. Okay, how many buys, how many sales, and what's the price of it right currently is. Okay, so it looks familiar, doesn't it, right? So, but to participate in it, okay, in those type of launches, okay, there's a cool one thing which you need to know about it, okay. You just need to gather some of those points. So rewards evangelists with access to pre-GGA token allocations in Giga AI agent launches, okay. So if you want to be participating in some of those launches, okay, you will need to go ahead and gather some of those points, and some of those points can be gathered a few different ways, okay. So you can like do it like a transfer points, right? So those transfer points, okay, like air points by trading in sentient and prototype agent tokens. So basically to trade those tokens, to earn some points. Then yapping points, like earn points by yapping about virtuals on Twitter. So basically you just need to go ahead and start, promoting the virtuals protocol out there. Virtual points, earn points by holding virtual tokens, and Vider, earn points by staking Vider tokens. Okay, so you can stake, you can hold, you can promote this virtual tokens. Once you get more points, you'll be getting those allocations. Okay, and once you get the higher amount of points, you'll be able to participate in those pre-launches. Okay, and as we all know, it's kind of like a whitelisting or something like that. So if if you are participating in the pre-launches, obviously you get some additional advantage. So you can buy those tokens earlier. Can buy those tokens at a better price and so on and so forth. Right, so this is how it works, like, guys. So I just showed you in a nutshell what the virtuals protocol is. I was creating one of these videos, it was a good few months ago, about this virtual protocol, and now I was thinking, okay, I'll go back to this one because it looks like it's had some sort of additional there's some volume coming into it, right? So definitely it's worth checking out. All right, so guys, I think I will leave it here. If you got any comments, leave it down below. Questions also, I'll be very keen to hear your questions, and also if you can subscribe to my channel, will be much appreciated. Thank you very much.